All right, for this lesson, you will be reading a persuasive text. Looks like this, called Conserve Fresh Water for the Future. Remember, conserve means to save things, to not use it all. So we're talking about saving fresh water for the future. Now, some things to remember about persuasive text. It'll start with an opinion of some sort that the author is going to try to prove. They'll have some reasons why they think their opinion is correct. Then they'll have explanations, or we could even say evidence for their reasons, supporting their reasons, and then they'll restate their opinion at the end. So if we look at this text, we can see, okay, fresh water along with air is what sustains most non-marine life on Earth. It's important to conserve fresh water so we keep ourselves out of hot water. It's an expression for like being in trouble. Water conservation means using our limited water supply wisely and responsibly. Doing this will help future generations. Conserving water also reduces energy use and saves people money. So their opinion we have here, it's important to conserve fresh water so we keep ourselves out of hot water. So it's important to conserve fresh water. That's their opinion. One reason for conserving fresh water is to make sure future generations have enough. There's one reason. Another reason to conserve fresh water is that it reduces energy use. Lastly, saving water also saves money. So then in each of these, so here's the opinion. Here's reasons why. And then the rest of these paragraphs are filled with the explanations or the evidence. So in your text, you need to underline key details. You can underline the reasons that I underlined. You can underline some of the evidence that the author is giving. But things that are important, look back at paragraph 1. What claim is the author making? I actually gave that one to you. It's important to conserve fresh water so we keep ourselves out of trouble. Water conservation is important. Some facts. It talks about how the demand for fresh water is going to increase. It talks about how 1/3 of the ground basins are being rapidly depleted. That's a fact. Roughly 1.8% of the nation's electricity goes toward moving and treating water. So if we reduce this energy use, we can conserve resources. Talking about how much money people spend and how they could save money. So there are some of the different facts that the author is using to support the claim of that it's important to conserve fresh water. Okay, so again, they gave their opinion, gave us some reasons, explained those reasons, and ended off with the opinion again. Conserving fresh water has many benefits. So, take a look at that. Make sure you read the whole thing and then answer the questions. Let me know if you need help. Good luck.